basic concept of PL SQL, like execution block in which PL SQL code will execute, that start from begin and end. Okay, so we will see here begin, end. This one is the main part of SQL, because everything whatever we want to execute or insert, update, delete, whatever we want to play with table, entire things of procedure function package within PL SQL block. So here will be declare section in which we can declare variable, cursor, define cursor, anything. Okay, and the last part is exception. Okay, this one. So now we will see only begin, end block, and declaration and things we will see later. If you see, if we run this code only begin, end, it will show you error. What is the error? Encounter the symbol end when expecting one of the following. That means you cannot compile only begin, end. We need to something. There is some value inside it or something. So we put here null. For example, null. We will run this query. See, the PL SQL procedure successful, completed. See how sweet code it is, how small piece of code it is. Begin, null, end. It will give you PL SQL procedure successful, completed. If we give here 1, it will show error. Why error? Because they need something. One second, there is some mistake. Yeah, now it is working fine. We have to select before running on Oracle SQL Developer. We have to select entire piece of code, then we have to run. Okay, so if you see, now we will see something else part what we can do inside it. Like we will declare one variable ID number, or only number, and now its data type is number. Okay, before that we write here declare, okay, number, begin, and now in number we will give 1 plus 2. Okay, now we will run this query. Okay, we are assigning, this is variable which has data type number, and we are assigning 1 plus 2 in that number. Now we will execute this PL SQL code. See, the PL SQL procedure successful, completed. Now we want to see output of number. So what we will do, we will write dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, okay, number. Clear? Here, now we will run it again. Select all, run. It's compiled successful, but we want to see value 1 plus 2 how much. So to print value inside dbms output dot put underscore line, we have to activate this. How we will activate? By using set server output on. Okay, we will run this one. It's successful compiled. Now what we will do, we comment it. Now we run it. See here. Okay, I'll show you once again. See, value is 3. PL SQL procedure successful compiled. Now we give some value. 1 plus 2 is equal to concatenate. Okay, now we will run it. See, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Clear? Clear it is. If you want to give some space, give here. Now we will run it. See, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Clear how it is working? You have good idea now? Same way we will see more videos. In this video I will give you explanation how it is working or how it is not working. Okay.